If your life sounds like a cartoon, you're living in chaos. Imagine plopping down on a chair and suddenly, BAM! It's like you've just been in a car crash. Seatbelt on, anyone? Or how about dropping a pen and boom! Nuclear explosion. Better call the bomb squad for that next essay. Now let's open a bag of chips and roar, a lion's out, with thunder cracking like it's a snack time safari. And don't even get me started on drinking water. Hear that? Sword fights in your mouth. Who knew hydration could be so epic? Stepping on grass, it's Jurassic Park out there, with every step shaking the earth like a T-Rex. But it's just a bird. Or is it? Flip a light switch and you're in a sci-fi movie with laser beams and neon glows. Don't get zapped and sneezing. Oh boy, it's doomsday. Sirens blaring, buildings shaking, people running, all because of one little sneeze. Oops, would you survive in a world with these sound effects? And subscribe for more chaos.